Alright, so hi guys, how you guys doing today? So I'm gonna show you how we can make a portable water dispenser at home, okay? Alright, so you see this water bottle here, right? And just place it in some like a high position, okay? And it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is puncture a small hole at the very bottom of the plastic bottle, okay? So I'm gonna do a little bit of that. Okay. So right there, I just punched to make a small hole at the bottom, and all you gotta do is open the bottom, okay? So if you look at the top, I'm gonna open the door, okay? So now see the water's coming out, and when you close the bottle, it stops. Okay, let me do it again. So I'll open the bottle again, right there. Okay, all right, and whenever you got enough water, just close it. Yep, that's that simple. So here you go. All right, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.